Yo, what's up, guys? Today we are playing Legendary Football, and I'm really hoping I get.
No!
No, that's not nice. We're not on the same team. Shall I even join? I can't. It's not letting me click escape. Crap. I can try. Sorry, guys, about this delayed video, but we want to be on the same team. I bet you this is going to put me on the same team. What team are you on? I'm on the Falcons. Well, I guess me and Chicken are going to 1v1.
We have 7, you'll have 8.
What?
We have 7, you'll have 8.
There can't be 15 people. There's 7 and 7.
Oh, no problem.
There's no way we're gonna play. I'm not even gonna get any passes. Oh, I guess it's gonna be a scuffed LF video. Do you see me? Please, please. Please don't be a hog court QB. What kind of pass? He's such a bad QB. Let's see what the chat's already saying. That was such a great pass. One time. What? Oh, your QB? QB, if you're scared to throw my way, I know you are. You're scared to throw to me on controller, man. Interception. You're not even past me. Ooh, he's open. Ooh, I got him. Yeah, throw the other way. I didn't mean to dive. Throw my way, you won't. I bet I'll catch it.
Bruh, that QB sucks.
You QB?
Why is he QB?
You just threw 2 times in this QB.
Wide open.
I got boosted.
Pass.
Pass, please. Bro.
Why is he QB?
I dare you to pass the chicken. I'll mosh you. See, I told you I'll mosh you. Yeah, we hold him to the field goal. No good. Aw. Man, I can't believe they didn't pick me. Oh my goodness. Oh, he just got set down. He just got laid. That's like a laid chip. QB, why? Why? Did you see how wide I was?
Yeah.
Burning, 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 burning. Can you see me? Am I invisible? Gotta react to the ball. Come on. Come on, I gotta react to the ball better. He passes like Oh, wide open. Wide open. Just letting you know I'm wide. Oh! Oh, my bad. Was that my fault that I missed that dime?
No,
Or was that a little bit too far?
it was too far.
I thought I might have catch up, maybe not, but who knows? Oh, chicken done my way, you won't. I will moss this Palacio guy. Oh, I better get back. Why is two people guarding the same person? QB, if you... Let's go, QB. Throw my way. I'm getting way back. I'm ready for the dime, Light. See me? I'm ready for the dime. Oh, it's a 3v1 over here? Oh, okay. Why, they're open. Just letting you know. Yeah, he's right. Viking is wide. Left. But then... Now he's getting guarded. What are you typing in chat? Oh, Vikings wide again. Oh, I got it. I got boosted. But Alligator caught it. Oh, I got jammed. What do you... They're
I
not...
just dropped all my salsa.
I got jammed, bro. I jammed him. Bro, he's literally a controller. What a bot. Come on. QB, can you pass to me? Since I'm open. Wow, what a great pass. Buddy me, QB. Gonna get a safety. What a bot. Oh my gosh. He's such a bot. Ay, ay, ay. Is it really gonna be 5-0? I'm gonna make him sit. Oh, that didn't work. I got you. Hey, you're gonna be my chat monitor, okay? QB, if you throw my way, I'm gonna mosh you all day. Oh, how did I not catch that? Did you see that, Wyatt? Did you see that? It's literally a 1v3 on me. Gotta give him a chance. Oh! Oh! He said, guys. It's literally a 1v3. Can I have some help? Can I have some help? Oh, they're going for 2. Definitely gonna rush this. Oh, no. I gotta get good guarding. Why is there 2 people on this guy? Ah! That's no good. Whoa! You're my chat monitor, what? Chat monitor. You monitor in the chat. If I can open the chat or not open the chat. I know, I just closed it because I saw something.
Oh, get sick!
Oh, I'm QB. Oh! What? I have a star by my name and I'm not QB? Throw it up. Bro, he's bad. He's bad! What are you doing? Can I open chat and type in it or no?
Yeah.
So nothing bad right now? Okay, I just said it. Oh, it's a 1v3 again. Last time it worked, this time it's not.
Wide receiver.
I don't even know. I'm getting safety. Okay, look at over here. 2v3, 2v3. Easy claps. Ooh. Oh, I'm so close to catching that, man. I'm getting safety. Why hurry up and hide the ball? You're wasting the big time, man.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
And I'm QB, man. And I'm QB. I hope I'm QB. Oh, this guy's AFK. Oh, pfft. Bro, what are you doing? We're on the 4-yard line. And hey, can you look at me? Hey, I'm over here, man. Oh my goodness, he's getting rushed so bad. I got it. This is great, guys. This is great. Hey, I'm gonna lob it up, okay? I'm so far away from the ball.
Should I settle?
No!
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna pass it right to you.
Why is he hogging the ball? What kind of pass is that? It's gonna let him score. Because you know why? Then I'll get ball back. That's a stupid pass, man. Gotta be kidding me, man. Got to be. What kind of pass was that, man? Here, I'm just giving my gummies. I don't care. So let me be QB, man. You stink. Just tackle him. Stop making unsmart decisions, man. I got it.
Self.
No.
Yeah, that's right to you.
Oh, crap.
Self.
Are you kidding me? I wasn't first person. That's my bad. Man, I love this team.
You can trade food.
What? I never knew that, Wyatt. Never knew my team was so bad. Hey, I just want an interception, please. This one.
Hey, go out for the dime. I'm gonna dime you myself.
Thank you. Hey, you see me?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Tucker.
Whoops. That slipped.
That was your one chance.
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to jump. I'll get an interception right here. Never mind. You can get it again, Wyatt, can't you?
I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna run. Oh, wrong way.
I got it.
I feel bad about this. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, it's so bad.
Tucker.
One more play. Nope, that's a rip.
You had your chance. You suck.
I know. Oh, go tackle him quickly. Good. Knock him, QB. Are you kidding
You
me?
get QB sell.
I can't. He's literally. Oh, I'm literally on the ground. Pass to me, man. I'm open. Man, I'm open. Can you not be a hog?
Let's go.
Gotta be kidding
Go
me.
for the pass.
Well, oh, we got 10 seconds. You really think it's gonna? I guess I'm gonna end that right there.
Just try to go over.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna try to go over, but